Hello, what's up? Today, I wanna look at this thing. Oh, good lord. Today, we're gonna wash it. I'd like to say it's a normal routine, but it really isn't, because I don't have time for a routine. It's a nice day, look at that. Oh yeah. We're gonna wash this thing. But first, we need food.
Go ahead with your order whenever you're ready.
Can I do 2 cheeseburgers, a large fry, and a large Coke?
All right, your total is $5 even.
Okay, thank you. Start this thing.
$6.
Alright, got my cheap food. Cheap food is good food. I mean, not really. Ah! Should've went. Should've went. I'm going. I'm gonna go now, too. I'm gonna smell this Coke. Oh no. Oh, I'm living on the edge right now. Look at this. Look at this. Alright, I'm going for it. Oh my god, it's dangerous. Don't blame the cell phone, it was a Coke from McDonald's. Don't try this at home! Or in the car, I guess. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna go for it. I did it. I did it. I'm so proud of myself. Alright, sorry guys. I got caught up on that thing. Yeah, that's another story. Cheap stuff. Alright, so now we're gonna wash this thing. So I've got my 2 buckets. I got the grit guard and the rinse, obviously, and then I don't like the grit guard in the wash bucket, so we're gonna leave it. Got a regular old Ryobi pressure washer, probably a little too much PSI, needs more gallons per minute, whatever, it's cool. I've got Adams in the Adams foam cannon, Adams car shampoo, and then I'm gonna try Leno's in the bucket. So we're gonna try that, but I want to try something else too. Hold on, watch this. I find this so sick, I can just do this. Ah. So I've got some wheels coming. These OEM speed lines are not in the best shape anymore, and I really don't care too much about cleaning them, honestly. So I'm just going to spray them down with this and see what happens. Let's see. My favorite wheel cleaner is by far Adams, so if this can keep up, I'll be happy. Definitely smells like a wheel cleaner. Looks like it's doing pretty good. Oh yeah. This stuff's got a pungent smell. Woo. And I'm not even gonna agitate it, I'm just gonna spray it off. Didn't turn out too bad, huh? Cool. Let's see how his water beads. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, look at that sheeting. Yeah. Cool. Alright guys, camera's about to die, so I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna put everything away and we're good. Thanks for watching. If you somehow watch to the end, that's cool. You can subscribe if you want. Do what you want. It's cool. I'm an idiot. Bye.